50 minutes from this place, 100 years ago, the Zionist organization established its headquarters in Empire House in Piccadilly. 100 years later, in Knightsbridge on 12 Trevor Square, today, 7 to 9 figure Muslim entrepreneurs, investors, and senior corporate executives have gathered inside this building to solve that mess that those guys made 100 plus years ago. Follow me inside.
So I'm at Fabric Ventures, we're a VC, so we invest in startups. My personal passion is crypto.
Primarily, I run an advertising agency, DTC firm.
I run a couple of companies in the pharmaceutical space, primarily consultancies. So we help distributors, manufacturers with compliance. And recently, my most recent project is founded our own pharmaceutical company called Amana Pharmaceuticals. The name is interesting because it's there for a reason. It's to bring trust back into medicine.
Private security to our clients globally, work with our clients. I usually never say no to their requests, so we provide a lot of services that goes beyond security, such as other things from private jet charter, etc.
Basically use our funds to build schools, build hospitals, build orphanages, build roads and oil rigs and everything to help not only the economy of that country, but also help the Ummah as well.
Wallahi, my dear brothers, you have a particular context, and we have to ask this question to have more barakah.
When people, great men, come together and they're united on worshipping Allah Azza wa Jalla, and then they come together and they get their economic situation right, amazing things happen on the back of that.
Everyone is here because they have a business agenda. They want to get something for someone in the room, but at the same time, what they want more than anything else is that brotherhood. You see, we've got guys inside of our network that have been part of things like, YPO and Hamptons, Tiger 21, and all these big networks with massive people, massive net worths, trying to create real connections here. And the deals on top of that. That's the next segment.
Now, it's a real industry, but a lot of people don't understand it or know about it. And there's thousands and thousands of influencers that are doing programs just like that.
Presented as having properties for treating or preventing a disease in human beings.
So basically, it's called loop. So you know the way that you put an asset down, you borrow against that asset, and then with the money you borrowed, you go buy the same asset again.
Because we're doing once a year, KFC is doing hundreds. So as they're growing way faster, we're playing catch up.
Trying to push forward, and I believe it's never too late.
سألت عن إمام أو فقيه في الأمور ابن عباس ترنم وسيبقى في الصدور فهو كالشمعة تذهب حتى تأتي.
Okay, so as you guys just saw, the quality that's inside of this room. Ain't a place like this that you see with so much iman and so much money inside one room in London. You ain't seen that before, have you? Now we got this going on all across the world, from Dubai to USA to Canada and everything else in between. If you're trying to be a part of a network like this and you're a 7 to 9 figure Muslim entrepreneur, investor or senior corporate executive and you want to get together with your brothers and feel that real brotherhood, and also when it comes to business, escalate to that next level. You're already great, you already accomplished so much, but that level above you that you're struggling to open, someone inside this room or our wider Rolodex can make that happen for you, inshallah. All you need to do is just apply at the link below to join the cave. Hopefully we see you on the other side, inshallah.